Keeping your crypto on the platforms is not the safest thing, especially now when crypto hackers are getting smarter. So let's figure out today how you can protect your crypto using a hardware wallet. We will unbox my new crypto wallet and also you will get some bonuses from me, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are unboxing my hardware wallet, and as you can see, here is a box in a box. It's very safe and well packed, and even this box is covered with a special safety layer, and a box with a hardware wallet is also covered with a safety layer, which is very important. But before I continue my unboxing, let's figure out more about the company who actually made this wallet. Introducing a new generation of uber convenient cold storage tools that take the worry out of managing digital asset wealth. And let's see what we have here. This Biometric wallet is the world's first uber convenient cold storage solution. And let's see what else we have here. You can download the app for your mobile device right from the original website. Use only the original website, guys. And here is this awesome team who created this wallet. IOTrust was founded in January 2017 by 8 veteran technologists, averaging 2 decades of experience in deeply embedded security software and systems. We are the visionaries that pioneered the world's first dual interface USIM smart card. The team is based in Korea and is particularly versed in secure element and trust zone technology. By the way, thank you Descent team for sending me my own wallet for review, and let's continue unboxing now. So why is this safety layer is very important? Because it says do not use if seal is broken. So guys, don't ever buy a hardware wallet on a second-hand marketplace, only use trusted official websites. So let's open it carefully and see what's inside the box. And what we see here is a welcome card. Thank you, Descent. And also you can download the app right from this QR code. And here is a short instruction. I think it's super easy. We also have a recovery sheet where you have to write your 24-word safe phrase that will be generated for you on this device a little later. It's very important, guys. Don't make any pictures or screenshots on your mobile phone. Don't share this information with anyone. Just write it on these sheets a little later. Because if you lose your safe phrase, you'll lose your crypto, so be careful with that. We also have warranty, and it says what we have here: device, USB cable, and here we have product specifications. You can pause this video and check out all the information here, guys. And here is the device. As you can see, it's small and comfy, even smaller than my hand, and I have a small hand. So let's see it a little closer. Quite nice, and I would say good quality device. And now we will remove this layer and let's turn it on and create a wallet. Let's do it. You have a little button on the right side here. Just hold it a couple of seconds and that's it. You can choose a language by pressing OK button. I will choose English, and now you have two options. You can create wallet or recover wallet, and I will create a new one. And what I have to do, just press OK here, and now you have to create your PIN. Just create any PIN you like. Don't forget to write it down somewhere. Don't make any screenshots of it, please. And after you created it once, it asks you verify your PIN. It means you have to write it again here and it will be verified. And now the most interesting part, it asks you to enroll your finger because it's a biometric hardware wallet. And by the way, I promised you a bonus. So if you will use my affiliate link, which is down below in the description, you will get a crazy discount for this awesome device. And if you will decide to take a pack of 2 for you and your friend or your girlfriend, you will get even crazier discount through my affiliate link, so go check out the description, guys. So all you have to do is just put your finger here and do it several times until it will be verified 100%. As you see, I'm doing it a couple of times. 50%, and then 62%, 75%, 88%, and now processing. I have to wait a little, and now it asks me to verify my finger once again, and I'm scanning my finger and scanning it again. Okay. And now, guys, the most important part, because your recovery words will be generated and it says recovery seed is backup of your private key and must be kept safe. And if you agree with that, you have to hit OK and wait a little again. When your recovery words will be generated, just take a pen and write down your recovery seed on those sheets. Write it by numbers. It's very important. Then just keep it in a safe places and never ever share with anyone. The device will ask you, have you written down all your recovery seed? And I already did it, so I will hit OK. And now it will ask you to enter randomly generated word from your sheet, and it will ask you to enter only 3 first letters, and it will show you the number of the word. So don't make any mistake here, because it's quite important for your verification. And now when that part is over, I can choose any crypto here and create a wallet. And as you can see, we have a great variety of crypto here. Just choose anything you like. For example, Dogecoin. Just hit OK and then hit OK again, and your Dogecoin address will be generated, as you can see here. And if you hit OK one more time, your QR code for Dogecoin address will be generated too. Quite easy, isn't it? Also, don't forget to download the app for your Descent wallet and connect it to your device using Bluetooth. It's super easy, so I think you can manage it by yourself. And what I really like about this app, as you can go directly to collectibles button, and you can go to OpenSea, for example, from here, and buy any NFT you want and store your NFTs right in your wallet. Let's see what we have here. What a nice art. You can purchase any NFT directly from your wallet. If you want to know more about Descent hardware wallet, go check out those links in the description, and you can just learn more. You don't have to buy it now. Just go read all those useful information. As you can see, they have a lot of information here. Also, you can check out all the supported coins and everything you like. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.